Hi, my name is Chef Sid Marshall, and this is Stuffed Chicken Florentine Recipes. The word Florentine in this recipe actually refers to spinach, which we'll be adding to our stuffing mixture. We're going to start with some ricotta cheese, then we're going to add some Parmesan, a little salt and pepper, and fresh chopped spinach. We'll mix this well. Then we're going to take our raw chicken breast and make a pocket cutting along the side with a very sharp knife. Once we have our pocket, we'll take our stuffing mixture and put it into the chicken. Next, we'll take our casserole dish. We'll put a little marinara down and then put in our chicken breast. Pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Then we'll pull it out, put a little bit more marinara across the top with some Parmesan cheese, and bake until it's done, about another 15 minutes. Once it is done, you can either serve it as a chicken breast or with rice or pasta.